Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my ideas to make a simple backdrop. First of all, take our KT ball. I'm going to make a backdrop with 1.8 meter top. So I will use 6 of this KT ball to combine them together. Of course, you can buy a large KT ball. That will be better. I use this small KT ball and combine them together because it could help to cut costs and very easy to delivery. Look, I combine 6 of this KT ball to make the backdrop size I want. Okay, then I will use the tape to stick them together. Okay, now we combine to make the backdrop. Look, in order to cover the tape, or if we want to change the backdrop color, we can stick the wallpaper. I use the white color, or you can use pink, blue, or other color. Okay, after we cut the wallpaper, we need to stick them together. So I will use some glue. I mix the wheat flour and water and then cook them like that. So that would be very healthy. You can use white glue or any glue special use for stick the wallpaper will be okay. Okay then, let's put the glue on the KT ball. I cook it by myself, that will very healthy. Okay, after we put on the glue, then we will adhere the wallpaper on the KT ball. Oh, really stick. Okay, one paper wall was completed because the paper wall not wide enough, so we need to connect another one. Okay, look, I stick the wallpaper on the KT ball. And then turn it around and stick the rest of the paperwork on the back side. Okay, completed with the back side. Fold and stick the rest of the paperwork on the back. It will be okay. Then look, the ball is soft, but it doesn't matter. We can use a stand to stand it up. Okay, let's try this type of stand. If you are interested for the detail about the stand, click here for the old tutorial. I don't introduce this stand in much detail. Just use it. Okay. Then just put the KT ball backdrop to the stand will be okay. And then use the tape to adhere them together. Look, I stick them together with the tape. Look, stick them together. Very sturdy. Okay, let's check the front side. Okay, look, this is the front side. Look, and then let's make other decorations. Okay, then let's make a round Katie ball. Since the round Katie ball is large, so I need to combine 2 Katie balls. And I will use the huge compass to draw around a circle. Okay, this is the size of our circle. Then I will draw it on the Katie ball. Okay, then I will cut it out. Look, cut out the round ball. Then let's stick it. Okay, so we got the Katie ball like this. And I want to make it green color since I do not have the green color of wallpaper on hand. So I will use this paper dye instead. Okay, look, completed with the round green Katie ball. In order to stick this round Katie ball to the backdrop, we need to cut some of Katie ball. And okay, look, I use the hot glue to stick them together. Look, very firmly. Use a follow foam clip on the foam Katie ball, and then let's insert some flower to make the decoration. Okay, look, completed. Let's stick it to the backdrop. We need to make another flower arrangement which will be put on the floor. And I will use this leaf bench to make the flower arrangement. That will be much more easy. Okay, the last flower arrangement, I will put it on the wax. Okay, all the flower arrangement completed. Let's put them together and set up the backdrop. Okay, first of all, let's stick this Katie ball to the backdrop. I will use the clip. Okay, I attach this round Katie ball on the backdrop. Look at the back side. I use 2 clips. Apply some hot glue will be much more firmly. Okay, back to. Okay, look, let's check the effect. I think to make the Katie ball, the round ball larger, the come out will be better. But anyway, let's go ahead to put some pedestal in front of the backdrop. Okay, let's open our pedestal. If you are interested to our folding pedestal, you can click here for the tutorial for more detail about this type of pedestal. Look, this is the effect after we put on the pedestal. And then let's put on our flowers. Okay, let's check the effect. Look, and then on this side, this place, let's set up our table. Okay, set up the table. If you are interested to watch the DIY tutorial about how to make this table skirt, click here for the old tutorial. I will also list the link on the information field below this video. Okay then, let's put on the flower arrangement. Okay, then let's check the effect. And then let's check the whole effect. Ignore the curtain behind. Okay, check it from the top and from the bottom. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.